Assalamualaikum, my dear friend. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. Do you like to paint?
Yes, I like to paint, and my painting skill is not very good and not very bad. And what about your?
Um, I like to draw, but my drawing skill is bad.
No, I see. Your drawing skill is very good, and your drawing skill is very good.
Thank you. Do you know any painters of our country?
Yes, I know many painters of our country.
But who is the great painter of our country?
Yeah.
Would you please tell me?
Yes. Yeah. Of course. Assam Sultan is the great painter of our country.
Where was he born?
He was born in 1923.
Where does he learned?
Yes, Kolkata Art College. He learned Kolkata Art College.
And where is he died or alive?
It's a matter of great sorrow he is no more.
See, what types of pictures he draw?
He drew the picture of trees, rivers, and buildings and the fishermen in our country.
Where does he born in?
He born in Narail. And please, do you know another painter in our country?
Yes, I know a painter of our country. His name is Zainul Abidin. But I much know about Zainul Abidin. Thank you very much to tell me about the great painter of our country.
You're most welcome. Bye bye.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন লিফটেড 3 ব্লক কে